DJI, I love you, but you're driving me nuts with the app situation. I've got two phones here with two different versions of the app on it, and I got my DJI Osmo Pocket2, and by the app, I mean the MIMO app. So this MIMO app situation, not being able to get any of the DJI apps from the App Store anymore on Google, is driving me nuts. Now, I have my old phone, which has the version of the app that I had on that download on my last rant video, and that one is working fine with connecting to my Pocket 2. So this is my old phone that has the old version of the app. My Pocket 2 is turned on. Let's go into the MIMO app. Let's see what happens. The MIMO's on. Well, it doesn't pop up on the top of the screen like it was, but if I hit device here, it gives me the device, and I hit connect, and it connects. So Pocket 2 is connected. There's you right there. Connected. Pretty simple. It kind of sucks it doesn't pop up on the top of the screen, but it connects. If I back out and go back into the app, once it's already connected once though, it does come up on the top of the screen. So now that I've done that, it comes up on the top of the screen. The new version of the app, let's get right into that and see what's going on there. So get out the new phone. Disconnected from the old phone here. Let me turn this off and back on so that we got the full reconnect. See my eye twitching? You're driving me nuts, DJI. This is ridiculous. So did the update on the app. Let's click DJI MIMO. And not popping up. Not popping up on the top. Let's look at devices. Searching. Searching. Still searching. Searching some more. Device not found. Oh, great. Oh, that's so cool. Thanks. I'm so glad that the device is not found. Why is this an issue? So here's the fix. If you don't know how to fix it, let me show you on the DJI itself. Swipe down, pick the settings, accessories, the do-it-all handle one that has a little Wi-Fi on it. And this gives you what your Wi-Fi is called and the password. So the first time you go to connect, if you're having this problem, you've got to go into your phone. And you've got to back out of the app. You got to hit the home button if you got an Android. This is Android phones. I'm not sure how your Apple's going to work. It's probably similar. Find the settings. Find your wireless settings. Go into your different Wi-Fis. And it may or may not come up as an available. Mine does because I've already done this, but I had to type it in at first and hit add a network. Then you have to type in the full name that you find on the setting I showed you here. So you have to type in that full name and then type in the password. Once you've done it, it's here in your Wi-Fis and you can click it and it will connect it. But then you have to back out of here once you've connected to it, and then you have to go back into the MIMO app. Oh, and now you're connected. This is stupid. There's no reason this should be an issue. It should automatically cancel out my other Wi-Fi and go to this one. I don't understand why this is such a problem. This app update after app update on the MIMO app not having the right things we need to use our phone with the device is a big issue. And when you make the Osmo Pocket 3, you're going to have issues selling it to the ones of us that love the Pocket 2, seeing how much the app's declined since you guys stopped pairing with Google and with Apple for the Play stores. Like, I don't know if that's the connection, but if it is, like, get it together, figure out the issues you guys have with getting shit in the Play stores and get it in there. So that's my bullshit rant on this. Now, if you guys do like the Osmo Pocket 2, which I love my Pocket 2, I have a video coming out in a few days talking about all the accessories I have for mine and if I use them or if they just sit on the shelf and collect dust. So keep an eye out for that. Hit the bell notification, subscribe to the channel if you want to see that video when it comes out. And beyond that, guys, check out my full playlist on the Pocket 2 right there because there's a lot of great about this beyond that stupid app. And go shoot something, have fun, post it. Don't let them stress you out like they're doing to me. Peace out, guys. See you next week with another video. Watch out for that video I'm posting in a couple days. Bye.